Happy new month and a very warm welcome to my channel. So I know you've all missed me because I received lots of messages asking why I wasn't posting. I missed you all too. Thank you all for checking up on me. I had to travel quick to Ghana for my beloved grandma's funeral, reason why I wasn't posting. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all the things I brought back from Ghana and their prices. So if you love content like this, then please do stick with me. Thank you. So in order not to make this video too boring and time wasting, I might be skipping parts of unwrapping. So let's start with the adjune. I bought the adjune and koobi, I think shrimps from Kumasi, race cost to be precise. And the adjune cost like 800 cedis in total. I don't know if it's a fair deal because they would have charged more than that, but my mom knew the woman in charge, and I feel the price is actually okay. And I think so. And also, I also got the chance to select what I wanted because I also wanted to mix them. And I usually buy from Accra because my mom is in Accra, and we don't get 800 cedis for these. Even with 800 cedis, you might not get this. So yeah, it's a fair deal. The next one to unwrap is this herrings, and I got this for 200 cedis. I really didn't want to buy more because I had already stocked up for my shito from Ghana 3 weeks before I even traveled to Ghana. And if you follow me on Instagram, then I guess you would have seen my unboxing video. So yeah, this is what I got for 200 cedis. Let me know in the comment section if it's cool or not. Next to unwrap is my shrimps, and I feel very happy with this because looking back, I think I should have bought more, but I was also thinking of my luggage. I didn't really want to pay extra luggage because I already had a budget for one extra luggage and I didn't want to exceed. And with the shrimps, I bought it in 2 batches. The first one was 80 cedis and the second one was 200 cedis. So the total amount is 280 cedis, and I think it's a great deal. Next to unwrap is the goat meat, and I'll be posting short videos to show the process. So do follow me on all social media platforms if you haven't. So I bought 2 goats for 1,700 cedis. The one that killed and prepped it also charged 150 cedis. So total was like 1,850 cedis. We cleaned and charcoal grilled it for a week or more, and my mom sprinkled sea salt on it before we packed. And this is the outcome of everything. I feel this is also a great deal, but goat meat that we used to buy for like 400 cedis, 500 cedis, and I think 600 cedis is now from, I think the least you get is from 750, 800, 900, 950,000 plus. Even you can get like 1,200, 1,300, depending on how big you want it. But this is all I got after prepping and everything, and I feel it's a great deal. Yeah. Next thing to unwrap is my koobi. Looking back, I don't really know why I didn't buy more, because I got this for 250 cedis. Maybe because Sikano na we are na saninti, I was not really focusing actually. Ghana edin we is kana neko, but yeah. This is, I think the next thing to unwrap is also the our wire, and I got this for 150 cedis as well. Yeah. So in the next stage, I'll be sharing other things I got as well. And I got these spices for stew for 50 cedis, the akatwa for 50 cedis. I also got 5 cups of Tom Brown for 50 cedis, and I got these turkey berries for 50 cedis as well. And I got all these in Accra. I also got some tiger nuts for 50 cedis, which was like 5 cups or so, yeah. I got some chicken seasoning and beef seasoning for personal use, and they were 50 cedis each, which is 100 cedis. And I got natural spice blend for 70 cedis. Especially, I'll be using this for like house of cocoa and others, yeah. I also got percase for 20 cedis, and my favorite part, the tolu beef. I got this for 75 cedis. Yeah, but I think I got the colored one and the normal one. Since I love suya, I also got some suya for 80 cedis. Yeah, and I also brought some granules my mom made for me. I also got some curry powder, shrimp seasoning, and I bought kivo pepper to try. More of the curry powder. I also got some sankofa natural spices, goat seasoning, and this is my preference from Remy. Yeah. I also got this aja and more of the shrimp seasoning. And I got some onga tablets, and this is the natural spices my mom bought for me to also try. I got some Cerelac, Kivo Gari, and of course some brushes. And because my kids loved Milo, I got four. First two I bought for 60 cedis each, and the next day I decided to buy extra two, and with the extra two I got it for 65 cedis each. I also got some cowbell coffee milk and then Ghana chocolate, which is 300 cedis for the pack, for the box, sorry, and some chow chow beads and more beads for the kids, beads for hand and the neck, more beads for myself as well, and a friend. Yeah. I also got some ntoma for my kids' African Day in school, and I got some GRS spices and some peanut butter, and that's it for everything I brought from Ghana. But I feel things are getting expensive each day. Like you buy this for today and you get it at a different price tomorrow. They are not stable. For more short videos on my experience in Ghana, do follow me on all socials, Instagram, TikTok, and on Facebook. How much do you think I spent in total? Kindly leave your comments and thoughts on everything I got. If it's a fair deal or it's a great deal. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, share, and then subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.